Guys, we made it to the convention center. We are here. We got food trailers, and I'm gonna see if this door is open for registration. I believe registration is running right now, I think. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. Guess we'll find out. How's it going, brother? So we got the merch booth here for Texas Hunters with the new t-shirt design this year. That's pretty cool. In Search of Brains costuming here. Got CFX masks. Obviously, you know these guys are amazing. Freak show. I'll come back and do some really more detailed videos of each individual booth and possibly do some interviews with some of these guys. This is good morning. We got the Stilt Beast booth here. Got a little monster camp action going on there. That's cool. Definitely have to come back and check out Stilt Beast's booth later. You got the dark hour trick-or-treat area, which is fun. They're doing trick-or-treating. Hey, good morning. They're doing trick-or-treating. It was a popular thing that they brought back for the last few years. I'm gonna definitely have to come check this booth out. This is cool. Man, this is gonna be a long video. I might be having to fast forward through some of this. So much cool stuff. It's early, so some of these booths aren't quite here yet because they don't open till 10 and it's about 9:30. Serial Creations. Woo, I'm still on the first row, guys. We got Dead End over here. I'll have to come back and do a video of him later of his whole booth for my channel. I'll be back. I'll do a full video of your booth here in a little bit. We got Morbid Hookers. Those guys are getting everywhere now. Dark Illusions. They have amazing masks. Project Backfire. I'll come do a full video of theirs. We got Froggies, which everyone knows Froggies. Good morning. All right. These guys have some really cool stuff. I actually have something that thing right there I might buy today. Maybe. He's getting his trick-or-treat guy set up today. All right, so we got Mind Trap. These guys bring so much stuff every year. It's crazy. What's up? Good morning. So much stuff in there. And then we got some tumblers. We got haunt shirts over here. Always in the house. We got Goth Gloom Prop Works with a bunch of cool props this year. And of course their infamous bubble tubes. We got a bunch of really cool wreaths. And then we got Panic Mechanics with some new stuff this year for sure. Good morning. How are you guys?
Doing all right.
I'll have to come check out all these guys. Oh, they covered the Reaper. I'll come back and get the Reaper here a little bit later on. We got the Chamber of Haunters booth this year, which is super cool. They're going to have a haunted house. We'll walk through that later on, which is pretty awesome. But let me get back over here to the second aisle. I just wanted to do this end cap real fast. All right. Oh, so much to see. Woo! Roadkill Boutique. Oh, we got the guy on the spit here. That's pretty freaking cool. All right, I'm going to do this whole side first, and then we'll go to the other side. Ooh, this stuff's pretty cool. I'll have to come back and check that out. How's it going? Good morning. That is pretty sweet. The Laughing Skull. Witch's Brew. Hey, there's Nightmare Makers.
Hey.
I'll come talk to you in a little bit. I'm gonna talk about you in my class today.
Okay.
And send people over here because I'm actually gonna make a skull and I have a mold with me.
Okay.
And so I'm gonna show the people in my class. So I'll come talk to you about it.
Thank you.
All right. And then Mine Trap again, but it's worth seeing again because man, look at this. Look at this ginormous foam pumpkin king. I mean, come on. It's crazy. Good morning.
What's up, buddy? How are you doing?
How are you, man?
Good.
We got Terror Tours. And we got Christopher with all his cool stuff this year. Love the stuff. I saw it yesterday.
Try Hunt Creations.
Try Haunt Creations? Awesome. Buy it.
Oh, wait, here.
And you got to follow his social media because he's freaking hilarious. Oh. Hey, you probably made these by hand.
I did.
Ah.
By hand.
I'll come back in a little bit and I'll do like a full video of just your stuff.
My baby. My buddy.
And then 916. I think everybody knows these guys. They do a new booth just about every year. This one's freaking awesome. Super cool. How's it going, guys?
How are you?
Good. A lot of these booths will come back and check these out for sure. We got Cyclone Signs right here on the end cap, looking fabulous. Lots of cool horror art. Ooh, I'm gonna check these guys out because they're doing this with lasers and that's what I do. So this could be me. I could do all that cool stuff. Closeted Creations, some beautiful costumes. Again, I'm gonna try to come back. This is the haunted house you can walk through, but that's the exit, I believe. It's kind of cool. They have a drop panel here, so you can have somebody here and the people behind you can see you scaring this person right at the end. I think that's pretty creative. But it's Greystone Haunted Manor, which is very amazing. But Chamber of Haunters haunted house booth. We got Ticket Leap. Other stuff. We got Monsters Alive, which I'll definitely come back and do. You're good. You're good. You're all good. A video of these guys. They have some really cool stuff. Good morning. Ghosts in the Garden. Some haunted jewelry. We got hauntactors.net here with a huge booth. Scrappy costumes with lots of cool animatronics and masks. Stuff galore. Good morning. Here's that make and take area that I showed you guys, or you will see in a separate video. Looks like they're getting ready for the Movement with Motors class, which is before my class, which is super cool. And then you got this insane, massive booth here, which is crazy. Look at all this stuff. I don't know if these are going to be going later on today, but they're trying to get this thing popping. Reaper's Collection. Man, they're getting it going, man. It is super cool. Huge, awesome booth. He said he does online orders, so you can go shop these guys online, and it's cool. They're in the San Antonio area, so they're local to Texas. So definitely support these guys. Definitely gonna come check them out in San Antonio here pretty soon. All right, we got the help desk. We got register to win. You win all kinds of prizes at the Texas Hunters when you register to win here. Tons of cool prizes. This is the kid area, so they're gonna have kids crafts going on right here.
Yeah, they were broke with it. And I was like, okay, fine. In fact, I'm not even sure what the prices are on them anymore. So I gotta
Lots of
find
cool
out.
Legos, cool t-shirts, super cool art. Oh, this guy's doing all this artist. Good morning. The crooked coffin. Oh man, this is cool. So it looks like you wear these. That is super cool. I'll definitely probably come check this out later for sure. Super cool booth. We got a bunch of retail stuff here for sale. These guys aren't quite open yet, but I believe it's that same Elm Street Toys with, look at all this boxed Halloween goodness for sale over here. It's insane. So, we got our buddy Resurrected Costumes with a lot of cool stuff this year. Looks like he's got a lot of really nice things this year. We got Six Flags Fright Fest. Oh, look, they got a trick-or-treat ghost. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. That's sweet. Very fun. Oh, yeah.
I just asked him if we knew. Oh, I'll text her.
Everybody's frantically trying to get ready for the show. We got Slaughterplex. We got skateboarders. Art. More art. Sugar and Bake. We got Salem Supply. I had to check those guys out. Spooky Hollow Lane. Hearth and Stitch. Whew. Good morning. This guy makes some really cool masks. I actually asked him yesterday how many molds he has. Good morning. And he said probably about 100 molds from sculpting masks. That's pretty amazing. So we got Scare Innovations. And we got Cyclone Signs up in the house. Good morning. There is the man himself and the woman behind the you got to have a good woman to have a good man, so yeah.
Hey, happy anniversary.
Hey, thanks. Julie doesn't even subscribe to my channel, so I'll have to make her go watch that. His signs are amazing. Absolutely cool. We got Twisted Pieces here. Ooh, my arm's getting tired. We got Halloween T-shirt company in the house. Very cool. Good morning.
Morning.
I think we got some 12-foot scalies up here. We got another shirt company. I don't see a sign. Horror Toys, which looks super fun. Cool gothy stuff. Have to come look at that for Julie. Oh man, so much goodness. So much Halloween goodness. Twisted Pieces across the way here. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to come look at all this stuff. What? Look at that. Full skeleton, $85. Amazing. We got Lord Grimsley's Manor. I will definitely come try to do a full video of their booth. I've loved these guys for many, many years. Lots of really good designs. Oh, look at all that sculptures. Those are really cool. Very nice. Edgar Tech Services. So 3D printing. Look at that. This is all 3D printed stuff. Wow, that's super cool. Like, I guess he could print you something right here while you wait. That's neat. Enchanted Memento. I'll definitely come check these guys out. The Sanctuary Effects. These are super cool. Super cool stuff. And I believe this is the last row. I have not. Ghoul Girl Boutique. We got Clowning Cartel. Getting ready. What's up? Barely Alive Productions. Man, so much to see, guys. This is going to be a great show. Look, we got people in costume already. Look at this. How fun is that? And I already went down that way. And there you go. Texas Haunters Convention showroom floor walkthrough. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned and look for the individual videos of more details of some of these booths. I'll be putting those out quite a bit today. Well, not today, but this season all the way through October. So stay tuned. Right, Fred?
Yes, sir.